Hi everyone, my name is Miss B. Hope you guys all doing well and welcome to my videos again. And today we're gonna talk about the Louis Vuitton Toiletry pouch, the size 26 and the size 19 comparison. So both of them I've been using for like maybe 1 or 2 months, and I will personally prefer the size 19 than the 26. So both of them I do use in like a daily and then even dinner as well. However, I found the 19 will be a lot easier to go out with than the 26. It's just because it's 26 I found the size is a little bit too big for me. And I know you can buy Organiser and change to convert them as a handbag. But however, if I use it as a handbag, this is just not for myself as well. I just feel like the design of it is just it's not a handbag style to me. But if you prefer, you like it, then it's alright. But just personally, I don't prefer this style as a handbag for myself. So I'd been taking it out to shopping one day, and I found it really inconvenient and it's just so uncomfortable as well. So I pretty much like carry the same thing on every of my handbag if I need to go. Whatever is I carry in this 26 is also fit in this 19. So I don't feel like I need that such a big size. It's not small, to be honest. This is not a small clutch. When you look at it, in the video it looks small, but when you look in person, it's actually not that small. And then also when I'm holding it, it's not that easy as well, especially if you got some stuff in there because of the height. So right now I'm holding it and it is, I feel like it's not comfortable in my armpit here, and also because of now winter time, you wear a few layers of clothes, and so your arm here feel like a little bit tighter. Plus, if you have to carry this with it, it's just not easy. And then so that day, what happened to me, the clutch keeps sliding around, and then I have to hold it with my hand, and it's just getting really too heavy as well. And the side of it, if I hold it like that, it's just not easy as well. So I have to take my chain out to use as a shoulder bag. But I didn't like it. It just, like I said, it's not my style at all. So after I had that experience, I go online to order another one, which is the 19. I try to use this bag as a clutch as well, and it's just a lot easier to go with. It's a lot easier to carry as well. You see, it's the perfect size to holding with your hand. And the 26 is just too big, to be honest. And like I said, if you're gonna use a clutch, you don't carry too much with you anyway. So why would you need such a big size? Use as a clutch and carry so much with you, and rather than the smaller size of a clutch. If you're gonna carry a lot with you, you might as well just use a handbag, because it's just way too much and too heavy to use such a big clutch. And this side, if you use it as an organizer, a perfect size for you to put inside your handbag. So I think my biggest handbag is the Speedy 25. This one fit in Speedy 25 no problem, but this one is impossible. Obviously it's already like looks like the same size with Speedy, you know. And inside it's just quite big as well. It just fit in a lot. It probably fit in more than you thought. And then okay, so let's talk about what fit inside. So the Louis Vuitton, this design is washable leather. If everything leak, you can just easy to clean and wipeable, and you can just wipe it off. But because it's not cheap anyway, and they don't have any compartment inside, then I still prefer an organizer insert liner for inside the pouch. I did buy the organizer as well, and I bought a chain to use them together. So this one, it looks a lot nicer than the 26. I got this one. It's a PU leather one. It's really nice and soft, and the material very similar with the Louis Vuitton, the inside the material as well, and the color of it. It's very nice. I know now on online or on the market, a lot of them, most of it is a felt organizer. This felt material one, but I will be much prefer the PU leather one. Just because it's a lot softer and the texture of it just a lot better. Yes, they are a lot more expensive, probably double price of this one, but compared to the felt material one, this is really good. And also this because of PU leather, you can easy to clean as well. But if you leak anything on this organizer, you won't be able to just clean off. It's because it's fabric as well. So this PU leather one, you got 2 little pocket on here and 1 zipper and another 1 pocket on this side, and they got a external hook. Then when you put the hook in there, the hook, it won't scratch your bag, and then too easy to move. That's the newer design of this organizer. The old one is the hole in here, but this is a new one. You got a hook outside. Yeah, let's see what how they're gonna fit in together. Put it in. Okay, so I put it in nice and fit.
Okay, I'm gonna, like I said, you don't need to carry so much when you're going out with the clutch, so I only take my essential stuff when I go out. First thing I will put in is my key pouch, but I use it as a card pouch just because I like the way I can see all my card. And if let's say I'm gonna use some cash, I got some change, I can just pop in coins inside and easy. Yep. One of them I'm just gonna pop in on top here. Yes. And then I will have a power bank, some hat. Just a little personal item I'm gonna put in this little zipper, and no one can see it. Boom. A lot more secure, more privacy. Chewing gum. And I got some eyeliner and a pen. AirPod.
And hand sanitizer. But this hand sanitizer, ladies, please buy a hand sanitizer with a lid. Not with this one. Not with the one that just pop and open. Buy the one that with the lid. Just because it happened to me once. It just somehow it accidentally just opened and it leaks out. Luckily it didn't leak out a lot. That's why I had to put a tape on top to making sure it's not gonna just press and open. So with the lid one, no problem, it won't be leak. So I'm taking this one out.
Okay, I put it in. Okay, and then I got a mini cable as well for my power bank charger, my lipstick, lip glow, and a small tissue. Yep, that's everything. And then we zip it up.
Yeah, that's it. And let me try to put a chain on top.
Yeah. Is this small size used as a handbag, shoulder bag is still okay because it's not that big. Yes. Okay, let me show you if it's on the 26. Okay, what I need to do, I need to put in is the 26, and this is the 19. It's a lot cuter on the 19. It's a lot too big. I'll turn the far on. 26, 19, 26 again, and the 19 again. They're both the same. 20, okay, 19, 26. Nineteen, 26, 19.
So yeah, that's all the comparison between the 19 and the 26. And about the organizer, I just opened my own SD online shop. If you got interested on buying this organizer, you can click the link in the description below, and I'm doing free shipping in the UK area. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, please give me a like, and if you have any comment, you can comment down below. If you don't like my video, you can just dislike it. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.